Hello and welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be covering building a beginner design portfolio. You will learn how to organize and showcase your design in a professional way, even as a beginner. By the end of this session, you will understand how to create a portfolio that aligns your skills, creativity, and growth as a UI/UX designer. Let's get started. You are welcome to this topic, building a beginner design portfolio. A design portfolio is a collection of designers' work used to showcase skills and projects. A beginner portfolio may include mobile app designs, landing pages, wireframes, UI components, personal projects. So a portfolio, your mobile app designs that you've done, your landing pages, your wireframes, your UI components, personal projects. So importance of a portfolio. A portfolio helps showcase design skills, attract clients or employers, build credibility, demonstrate creativity. Portfolio is very, very important in this tech, be it UI UX design, data analysis, web development, any staff that you are, any skill. So a portfolio is very important. It helps to showcase your skills, your skill as a designer, a UI, your skill as a UI UX designer, graphic designer, data analyst, developer. So portfolio will help to showcase your skills. It will also help to attract clients or employers. So if I look at what you've done, I will feel very impressed. I'm impressed with this. So I also want to give you my project. I want to employ you. It also helps build credibility. It makes you credible. It also helps to demonstrate your creativity. When someone look at your design, your dashboards, your codes, your website, like what you built, it helps to build your to demonstrate your creativity. People are like, this guy is very, very creative. Oh, this so portfolio is very, very important. So this thing now is portfolio is more important than your certificates. Is that serious? You might come to me. I've learned UI UX design for 6 months, for 3 months, for 1 year, for 2 years. I want to see what you've done. In tech, the language is let me see what you've done, not tell me how many years you spend here in this field. Oh, I've spent like 5 years and I'm now impressed. I'll now employ you. I'll now give you my project. It's not done that way. Or you tell me I've gotten a certificate from so company, so this, so that. It's not enough. No matter the organization you got your certificate from, it's not enough to convince me to employ you or give you my project to work on. What is going to convince me is your portfolio. Let me see what you've done. I want to see what you've done. You've been here 5 years, 10 years. You've you've trained with the best tech academy, the best mentor. Let me see what you've done. Let me see. Because of a truth, you might have a lot of people trained with this academy. It's not all the students that will be that good. So that is not enough to convince me. Even if the company has reputation for training the best of the best, I still need to see what you've done. So portfolio is very, very important. It's bigger than your certificate, bigger than the company that you are trying to identify with or the individual you are trying to identify with. You can come to me and feel like maybe a very respectful someone in design field. And that's my mentor. That's the person that trained me. It's not still enough to convince me. Your portfolio is what is going to convince employer or a client. So it's your portfolio. So portfolio is very, very important. So now you've learned how to design, you've learned how to export the images, the assets, your projects, like so you built mobile app design, landing pages, wireframes, all these things I've taught you in this course. Now It's time to export them. It's time to build a portfolio for them. So beginners portfolio tips: start with simple projects. Start with simple projects. You are just getting started. There's always a rule for beginners, those who are just getting started. So start with simple projects. Focus on a clean and organized designs. Very important. Show your design process. Try to walk someone through your design process. Include only your best work. Please, I need to make emphasis on this. Include only your best work. You don't have to pack 10 designs and put there. It doesn't work that way. I can just, let's say you have 10 designs, pick the best, like the best three or even two. You can put the 10 designs there. There are some designs that you were not at your best. That alone can discourage me. I will not ignore the best three that you still have there. But someone will now go to some designs that maybe you did when you were just learning, when you were not that good, and someone will not be impressed. That alone can, you will still have the ones that is top notch, but that alone can discourage someone. So you put your best of the best. It's not about numbers. Three, five is okay. Two, three, two, five, four, five is okay. Let it be the best. Don't go and pack 10 designs, 20 designs. Put there the ones that are not that good. So that's how it works. Be it in any field, be it data analysis, put your best dashboards, the best of the best. In development, the best projects you've worked on, showcase that. So it's very, very important. Keep improving your portfolio regularly. So as you are growing, update your portfolio. It's very, very important. As you are growing, you have to update your portfolio. The question on your mind now will be, how do I build my portfolio? Okay. So there are many ways to do that. Or should I say there are few ways to do that? Number one, if you have your personal website, you can create a personal website that you just talk about yourself, your about me section, just about yourself, then display your best designs. You can have a personal website. That is more professional. You can have a personal website if you have what it takes to do that. Then you can also use your social media accounts. So as a tech person, you need to be very, very active online. Be visible. Visibility is another thing you should know in this. You should take very seriously. So you can share you can share your work on LinkedIn. Very, very important. LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very, very important. It's very powerful. So there are people there who are watching you. They are seeing what you are doing. Since the day you started this course, start talking about what you are learning. Start talking about it. Start posting the little designs you are. Let people see your growth. You'll be surprised. Surprised. Someone can just enter your DM. Oh, I've been seeing what you've been doing. I have a gig for you. That is, I have a job for you. So your social media is very, very important. If you cannot afford a personal website, be very active on social media. LinkedIn, put your best work there. Talk about yourself. Write about it. Then other social media too, like Facebook, X, Instagram, and so. But LinkedIn is very, very important. Most times you will see in some jobs, like when you are filling any form like that, they will ask you to drop your LinkedIn handle. So they want to go there and see what you've been doing. So please, take your visibility online seriously. So you can use personal website, or you can use your social media accounts like LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, post about you, even on TikTok, post. So practical exercise, students should. So this exercise is talking about the whole section. This section has to do with collaboration and career development. We look at collaborating on designs in Figma. We've also looked at exporting and delivering design assets. Then we also look at building a beginner design portfolio all in one section. So the exercise here is students to share a Figma design link. Share a Figma design link. You can access my email, share it for me, or you can share it to your friends. If you are learning together, share with your friends. Look at how two of you can collaborate together. Share to some designers that you know, UI UX designers that you know. Share your work. Just share your link with them. Let them see what you've done. Let them give their comments, their feedback. Export a screen as PNG. So go and try to export your work as PNG, JPEG, PDF, SVG. Create a simple portfolio page showing okay, students should create a simple portfolio page showing their designs. So just create, if you can do that as a website, fine. You can talk to a developer who just help you and do something. You can use WordPress, or you can carry out these tasks using your LinkedIn account. Just you look at about you, just talk about that design, then upload the pictures. So it's also another way to answer this question. Format it very well, like talk about the whole design process. You see, earlier I said that, okay, so, I said in this section, show your design process. So earlier I talked about showing your design process. So try to, even if you are posting on Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, be well detailed. Talk about the design as if you wanted to put it on a website. The same way you put it on the website, talk about it. Then show your design process, talk about it, then upload the pictures. Is another way to answer this question. You can get a website. So it's another way to answer this question. But using your social media account is the fastest way to answer this question. So that is it about building a beginner design portfolio, and also about this section, collaboration and career development. All right. Thank you. Keep practicing. Practice, practice, practice.